Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have a face-off between two grooming essentials. It's the battle of the blades. On the left, we have the Philips Norelco Genuine OneBlade Replacement Blades, and on the right, we have the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Face Plus Body. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top. Alright, let's start with the most important factor for many of us, the price. The Philips Norelco Genuine OneBlade Replacement Blades come in at a reasonable $34, while the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Face Plus Body will set you back $49. So, if you're on a tight budget, the Genuine OneBlade Replacement Blades might be the way to go. Now, let's talk about durability. The Genuine OneBlade Replacement Blades claim to last up to 12 months, based on 2 full shaves on the face per week. That's pretty impressive. On the other hand, the OneBlade 360 Face Plus Body comes with 2 blades, one for the face and one for the body. So you'll have a spare blade ready to go when you need it. It's a tough call, but I'll give the edge to the Genuine OneBlade Replacement Blades for their impressive longevity. When it comes to versatility, both products have their strengths. The Genuine OneBlade Replacement Blades can trim, edge, and shave any length of hair, making it great for all your grooming needs. However, the OneBlade 360 Face Plus Body takes it a step further with its innovative 360 blade that flexes in all directions to adjust to the curves of your face. Plus, it includes a 5-in-1 stubble comb and a body comb for an even trim. So, if you want that extra versatility, the OneBlade 360 Face Plus Body might be the better choice. Comfort is key when it comes to grooming, and both products aim to provide a comfortable shave. The Genuine OneBlade Replacement Blades feature glide coating and rounded tips to protect your skin, ensuring a comfortable experience. Similarly, the OneBlade 360 Face Plus Body promises a shave that's not too close, keeping your skin happy. It's a tie in this category. Both products prioritize your comfort. Now, let's talk about convenience. The Genuine OneBlade Replacement Blades can be used dry or wet with foam, even in the shower. That's a huge plus for those of us who like to multitask. But hold on, the OneBlade 360 Face Plus Body also offers the same functionality, allowing you to groom wherever you please. It's a draw here. Both products are equally waterproof. While the Genuine OneBlade Replacement Blades win in terms of price and durability, the OneBlade 360 Face Plus Body takes the crown for versatility and convenience. At the end of the day, it all comes down to your personal preferences and needs. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the Philips Norelco Genuine OneBlade Replacement Blades and the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Face Plus Body. While the Genuine OneBlade Replacement Blades win in terms of price and durability, the OneBlade 360 Face Plus Body takes the crown for versatility and convenience. At the end of the day, it all comes down to your personal preferences and needs. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more product comparisons on Buy Smart.